out of Cheez Whiz dough panic here are 7 cheesy substitutes that work just as well. First up, homemade cheese sauce. Just melt butter, flour, milk, and cheese together. It's so smooth, creamy, and honestly, way better than Cheez Whiz. Second, Velveeta. It melts perfectly. Just cube it, heat it with a splash of milk, and you're done. Third, cream cheese plus milk. Mix and heat these until silky smooth. It's great for dips and nachos. Number 4, pimento cheese spread. It's creamy, tangy, and already spreadable. Just warm it slightly for that melty vibe. Fifth is queso dip. It's ready to go, has a bold flavor, and is a perfect one-to-one swap. Number 6 is a vegan option. Nutritional yeast sauce. Just mix plant milk with nutritional yeast for a smooth, cheesy, dairy-free sauce. And finally, number 7, shredded cheese and butter. Melt them together for a rich homemade sauce in minutes. Try any of these and you won't miss Cheez Whiz at all. For more tasty swaps, follow our channel